Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to turn your Dodge Viper into a Batmobile. First, select a Dodge Viper model that aligns with your vision for the Batmobile. Next, meticulously plan your design, focusing on key Batmobile elements like the fins and front grille. You'll need to acquire a custom body kit, specialized paint, and various accessories to achieve the authentic look. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth transformation, ensuring all components are ready before you begin the physical modifications. Now, let's dive into the body modifications. Carefully install your chosen Batmobile body kit onto the Viper's frame, ensuring a precise fit. This step often involves some fabrication and secure mounting. Once the body is in place, apply a high-quality, matte black paint job to capture that iconic Batmobile aesthetic. Don't forget to integrate custom lighting and exhaust systems to enhance both the look and sound, making your Viper truly unique. Next, we'll focus on the interior and those essential Bat gadgets. Transform the cockpit with custom seating and a futuristic dashboard, reminiscent of the Batcave's command center. Integrate replica gadgets and advanced control panels to give your Batmobile a truly functional feel. Pay close attention to wiring all new electrical components safely and efficiently. This attention to detail will make your driving experience feel like you're truly patrolling Gotham City. For the final touches, focus on those crucial details that complete the transformation. Install custom wheels and tires, along with iconic Bat emblems, to truly solidify the Batmobile's presence. Conduct comprehensive safety checks on all modified systems, including brakes, lighting, and electronics, ensuring everything operates perfectly. Remember, a safe Batmobile is a fun Batmobile. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link for that and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your incredible new ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.